I just got a Haci Pupu from Shiplet, so that's unboxed.
What colour is it?
I can smell it, and I think it smells like one of these two. So it's boxed out. I want this, that, and that. I just don't really want the green, but it's still super, super cute. Oh!
Colby down
You
there.
can tell that's fake.
Yeah.
Is it actually?
I'll see if there's a card. Is there a card?
Said that.
I think I saw it. I think it's grape.
Oh, listen to this.
Oh, it feels so nice. It's grape.
Listen to
It's
this.
so
You've got to
cute.
listen closely.
Guys, this looks so real. And look at the ear, there's a grape up there. Guys, it looks super real. And this is the one, this is the second favourite I wanted. As I was saying. Here's the one I wanted. Look at it. Guys, I think it's all, there's a QR code on the tag.
And I found a card in the bag.
And this is the same right bag. If it's fake, because my sister scanned this and it took her to pop marks. But like, if it's fake, it's a really good dupe. Like dupe.